straight to shot third man. Mohammad Amir gets a wicket. First wicket for Amir in the innings. So Brad had it not lasting too long. Australia 191 for 6. Mohammad Amir bowling the final over of the innings. Bowled in. Great delivery. The typical Pakistani Yorker.
Well, Amir doing his best to keep Australia under 200.
Australia 191 for 7. Mohammad Amir on a hat-trick. Just offline on that occasion. They come for a bye. And he's been run out.
Good, accurate work there from Cameron Akmal with the gloves.
So 3 wickets so far in the 3 balls of this final over. Mike Hussey as well returning. 17, Australia 191 for 8. Here looking for another Yorker here. There it comes, missing the stumps. Are we watching an action replay or did that happen again?
But it's the team combining here for, yep, a double hat-trick. 4 on the trot. And they've lost 4 wickets doing it. And that's going to bring Sean Tate on strike.
Stephen Smith gone for 0. Australia 191 for 9. And now they won't be thinking of running for a bye on that one. 1 wicket left. And gone! It's bowled in. Can you believe that? And this time the wicket belongs to Mohammad Amir. So we've seen 5 wickets fall in the final over of the innings. Not a run has been scored.
Don't see too many of these. Maiden over from Shakib. Devon Thomas was always struggling. Right on line. And just not willing to take any chances.
Sunshine, perfect conditions. The crowd still, although we're told it's a full house, are not all in. And here's Zahir Khan going to Graham Smith. Big appeal, first ball. Wow, what a start.
Pressure on umpire Brian Jerling from the word go. Ball came back in. Graham Smith got forward on this occasion. That's probably what saved him. It was quite high as well, so we've been going over the stumps. So no problem with the decision on that occasion.
An encouraging start though for Zahir Khan. Troubling one for the South African skipper. Got him! Right through the gate. Smith goes, fails again. What a start for India. South Africa 0 for 1.
Well, it's good delivery. Just net back in off the seam. Very ambitious drive by Graham Smith. Dreadful shot really at the end of the day. Through the gate. He'll be disappointed when he has a look at this one. Foot was nowhere near the pitch of the ball. Didn't really get a big enough stride in either. And his batting woes continue.
Well, if India have the wall, this is South Africa's rock. Jacques Kallis, fresh off the century in Durban on Wednesday. His first against India comes out once again far too early for his liking. But what an experienced and accomplished player. Over 8,000 runs in both forms of the game, test level and ODIs. But to get out there in the first over, he would love as a number 3. Just to have a little time to watch from the dressing room, see what things are like. But he goes out under pressure once more. So Zahir Khan, tail up, goes to Kallis. Good leave.
Excellent first up delivery. Well left by Jacques Kallis as well. First 2 deliveries of the match was certainly eventful. The very first one was a very confident LBW shot. Looked like it was going over the top. Graham Smith on that occasion just got in a big enough stride, and this was a wicket.
Edged and gone! Kallis goes. What a start for India. South Africa on 0 for 2.
Very unlike Jacques Kallis. A loose drive outside off stump. Good bowling, it has to be said, by Zahir Khan. This delivery just went across the right-hander. It was too wide to drive. Good catch taken by Sachin Tendulkar at first slip, and South Africa in deep trouble.
Wow, what a splendid over that was. South Africa yet to make a run. India have picked...
All clearness. Nicholas Pooran giving himself room, trying to cut this delivery, not able to make contact. There's a fielder on the sweeper boundary, a long on, a deep wicket and a deep backward square. Fielders inside the circle on the offside, and there's a change. Man on the sweeper boundary is going a lot square. Fielder at backward point has come to cover. Oh, player missed, and again.
I think, as a left-hander, you've got to think where your options are. He's got deep point, behind point there. Look at the revs on that ball on the turn. And the bounce. The one before went through normal height. That one, shin height.
Gave himself room, expected it to bounce more, but it didn't. Third delivery. Play and a miss again. This is really disappointing. Yes, do it, bravo. And this is good by Ross Taylor. He's just going down to have a chat with young Nicholas Pooran, but he must make contact.
The thing to think about is, should a right-hander been batting? Easy to say now after 3 balls, but as a left-hander, it's hard to hit this ball turning that much away.
Fourth delivery, play and a miss. But I think you can easily see that the Amazon Warriors is going to win this. 2 deliveries left, but you never know. 2 sixes, level scores. Well, it's only 11 they're going after.
There's been ebbs and flows in this game, and the emotional ups and downs. They're just changing the field. With that man on the screen, Bravo, he will not be happy.
It's high in the air in the offside. Is this a chance? Yes, I think it is. Taken. Martin Guptill takes a simple catch on the long off boundary.
And that sets them into frenzy. They're home. What a match. Extraordinary. They were down and out. Just trying to make 100. They get their score up, and now in the super over, they are bringing it home for their home crowd. Simple catch in the end, and he knew it too. It's a big win.
Well, we've seen it all. Sunil Narayan, normally not animated. Dinesh Ramdin, happy, excited. Darren Bravo really can't do anything. He comes to the crease. Ross Taylor would be on strike because final delivery. Swing, miss. Was there an appeal? No. Dot ball. Brilliantly bowled by Sunil Narayan. Celebrations all round for the Amazon Warriors.
Okay. Right on middle stump. Oh, that's a wide, is it? Oh, it must be very close. Umpire Steve Randall under enormous pressure. The crowd are booing, and rightly so. That was very close. Pringle. Reid gets to the wicketkeeper. He stops it. 4 balls remaining, 2 runs required. Surely Pringle can get one on the stumps. Big, tall, gangling Reid on strike. In comes Pringle to Reid. He'll go over mid-wicket if he goes anywhere. He cuts straight to right at point. Oh, it's a nerve tingler here at Bellreeve. And surely they need a bat pad now, because they'll go for anything now, Australia. They certainly will. Right swings and misses, and in comes the wicketkeeper. That's good keeping, but surely now that square leg or somebody must come in close to the stumps. The pressure is on. Reid on strike. Swings and he misses. They don't run, so there's 1 ball. So it's now up to Bruce Reid. They have to score 2 runs to win. How would you like to be Bruce Reid, Ian?
Well, I tell you what, Latham's too deep, I reckon. They can get 2 to him at deep point.
Willie Watson and Morrison dropping back just outside the circle. In they come, the final delivery of what's been a great match. He's missed it, and it's victory. He's run out, so New Zealand get 2 points. What a win, what a surprise, what a sensation, what a result.